रहा था तो मैंने देखा कि आपकी हर जगह रिलेशनशिप बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है. आपने ऐसे बताया आपके फादर के साथ, देन आपकी मॉम के साथ, नाउ द वर्ल्ड नोज यू एंड योर वाइफ, सबके साथ रिलेशनशिप बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है. बट बिफोर वी गो देयर आई वांट टू आस्क यू, एक स्टेटमेंट मैंने पढ़ा था अभी कि आपने बोला कि यू हैव अ वॉइड ऑफ नॉट सीइंग अ किड ग्रोइंग अप.
I didn't have it earlier.
हाँ.
But I think when you grow older in age, growing in years is a process of, and I'm not romanticizing it, is a process of loneliness. और इसका बड़ा अच्छा एग्जाम्पल, बड़ा अच्छा इसके बारे में बात मेरे दादाजी ने कही थी. He said, the more you understand life, the more you will become lonelier. And the more you understand life, it can only happen with age. And for a person like me, there are so many fake people, even at the age of 70 or 65 or whatever. They've lived a fake life. I have not. So I also don't camouflage feelings, because I think it should be open as much as you can, as long as it doesn't hurt anybody. So I did feel when I was 60 that यार एक बच्चे को बड़ा होता देखने में बड़ी एक because I do a lot of work with children. My foundation does a lot of work. I am fond of children in terms of I used to do a show called Say Na Something to Anupam Uncle, which was a children's show. So somebody asked me, do you feel this? I said, yeah, and it's a truth. तो इसमें but that doesn't mean that.
But उस time पे क्यों decision लिया that you don't want kids?
So it didn't happen for the first time. It did not. Kiran could not conceive it, and then once she conceived, then we had to sort of. It was not growing in the right manner, and I was too busy making it big. I was too busy, तो वो नहीं था. और सिकंदर अच्छा है, अभी भी अच्छा है सिकंदर मेरे लिए. वो बड़ा छोटा था, 4 साल का था जब हमारे पास आया था वो. He was 4 years old when I married Kiran. So महसूस नहीं हुआ. Just because अब महसूस हो रहा तो तब महसूस क्यों नहीं हुआ? There is no answer to it.
But अभी in today's generation, if you know, DINK करके category, you know, double income no kids, a category of people.
Yeah.
वो बढ़ते जा रही है कि दोनों हस्बैंड वाइफ एम्बिशियस हैं, साथ में काम करते हैं, दे वांट टू स्पेंड ऑन देमसेल्व्स, और वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं जाते बच्चे की, और उनको नहीं चाहिए.
I think they will feel bad about it when they will be in their late 50s. मैं अभी भी कितने लोगों को बोलता हूँ, don't do that. It is not